Disclaimer. In preparation of this video, materials have been taken from different online sources in the shape of books, websites, research papers, and presentations, etc. However, the instructor does not have any intention to take any benefit of these in her/his own name. This lecture is prepared and delivered only for educational purposes and is not intended to infringe upon the copyrighted material. Sources have been acknowledged where applicable. The views expressed are presenters alone and do not necessarily represent actual author or the institution.
Module 5, Colors, Saturation, Values and Tones. Content for Module 5 are: Color Theory for Digital Painters, Saturation, Tones, and Values, Color Wheel Software for creating harmonious color schemes. Objective for Module 5 are: Understanding the art and science of colors, Understanding values, saturation, and tones, Learning to pick correct colors according to the mood and idea. This video lecture is divided into two parts. Number 1, Understanding colors, values, hue, saturation and color schemes. Number 2, Tutorial session on color scheme. Part 1, Understanding colors, values, hue, saturation and color schemes. Why color is so important, saturation and value and 6 color harmonies that work. Andrew Price aka Blender Guru created video on the science and art of colors. Part 2, Tutorial session on color scheme. With Adobe Color, we have an access to the powerful harmonization engines for creating beautiful color themes to use in Adobe products. Let's start color journey by exploring themes from the color community with Colin Smith. Hope you found this useful. Now get out there and make some colorful art.